In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free the space in Outlook Mailbox. We'll walk through both the new Outlook and Outlook on the web, then cover classic Outlook, archiving options, conversation cleanups, and finally how to compact your data files so everything runs smoother. If you're using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, start by opening Settings, then go to General, and choose Storage. This page gives you a clear breakdown of which folders are using the most space, and it includes options to permanently delete items older than 3, 6, or 12 months. Use this when you're confident you no longer need older mail. Next, head back to your inbox and use Filter, then Sort by, then Size to bubble up the largest emails. Often, big attachments are the culprit. When you find them, save the attachments to OneDrive so you keep the files, then delete the email. If you're sure you won't need it, press Shift+Delete to bypass deleted items and free space immediately. For classic Outlook on Windows, go to File, then Tools, then Mailbox Cleanup. Here you can quickly find items larger than a size you specify, find items older than a date you pick, or empty the deleted items folder. After that, open your folder list, right-click deleted items and choose Empty Folder. Do the same for junk email. Emptying these folders permanently removes those messages and frees server space right away. To move older mail off the server while keeping it accessible, use Archive, Auto Archive, or an online archive if available. In classic Outlook, go to File, then Info, then Tools, and select Clean Up Old Items Archive. Select the folder you want, like Inbox, choose Archive this folder and all subfolders, pick an older date to target, and save to a local PST file. This shifts older items out of your mailbox and reduces its size without deleting your history. You can also reduce clutter with Conversation Cleanup. In Mail View, select a folder, then on the Home tab under the Delete group, choose Cleanup, and pick Cleanup Conversation, Cleanup Folder, or Cleanup Folder subfolders. Outlook will remove redundant messages that are fully contained in later replies, keeping only what's necessary. Finally, after large deletions or archiving, compact your data files. Go to File, Account Settings, then Data Files. Select your data file, click Settings, and choose Compact now. Leave Outlook open while it finishes, especially if the file is large or has more than 20 unused space. This doesn't delete mail, it reclaims disk space and can improve performance. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.